As you can see, there is only one motor, which is located on the right side. The movement is made precisely by these wheels and going to rotate, distort, and lower the extractor given the lack of the motor. In the other column, the synchronization is entrusted entirely to this toothed belt. This scooter instead deals with the displacement of the extractor on the x-axis. The displacement of the y-axis is given directly by the plate that moves on these two guides, also regulated in this case by a belt connected to the x-axis. We find the extruder with 60-watt heating block. The nozzle is completely copper, I hope you can see it well from the camera, with a diameter of 0.4 meter stop. As for the maximum printing speed, this printer can even reach 500 millimeters per second. However, I recommend you to have a better quality print to print around 300 millimeters per second. As printing plate, we have a beautiful PEI plate. As you can see, also rough, perfect to make our models adhere better, and in addition, it is also magnetic. So you will be sure that even with vibrations, printing will not move from its axis. I'm going to open the project I chose for today's first print, and here's the super cool A eliminated. How do you see before printing? You can also select and move the kunai inside the printing plate. Then we will go to see the final result, and here it is, kunai completed. I will immediately go to see it up close. Mamma mia, I have goosebumps. Look how it came perfect in every detail, and also the size and the handle is really comfortable. I'm going to remove the front cover as well. Look how well it is made, mamma mia. And look, it's very thin. It's really perfect to use as a face covering because it's also very flexible. Let's check closely the side holes. Look how well they came. Let's see also here on the other side. And among other things, comparing it with my face cover, I would say that the measurements are perfect. As far as I'm concerned, both the kunai and the front cover have fully reached sufficiency in addition to the kunai at the front cover to thoroughly test this beautiful coffee. I went to do another 5 prints where I printed with all types of filament, the CLPLA, that the BS lacks the TPUE. I have to say that the results went beyond expectations, the quality remained very good, I had no adhesion problems, and the print speed did not suffer either. I really like this very nuanced color, a little iridescent that changes color according to the inclination. Also look at the sphere as it came perfect. There are really very few imperfections. This is the classic Benzi. Look also here the details as they are well highlighted. You can see all the decorations of the roof. Also look at the Team 1 as it is perfectly visible, and also the lower part is really of excellent level. And as final cherry, I went to print the same boat but with tre filamenti da versatile.date più apps. Look at this show. I have to say that they came really well, and I have to choose between the 3 that came better. I definitely opt for the one in TLA. A night of merit if the TPU filament takes it. Look at the difference in elasticity. This is the PLA. If I try to tighten, as you can see, it is very rigid, does not bend at all. Look, instead the Q Plus seems almost rubber, so this material is really perfect if you have to make the material as cell phone covers or all those gadgets that do not have to be rigid. If you like this review, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Here you will always be updated to my new publications. Before saying goodbye, I remind you that if you are interested in this beautiful printer in 3D, leave you live to be able to buy it in the description and in the first comment of this video. IO from the super fleet of Benzi and from Luca Hatake and everything. I say goodbye and see you in the next video.